How y'all doing tonight? DCS 510, my sealed head 1/2 inch, 3/8 sealed head ratchet. As you can see, pops in and out. You can do a 1/2 and a 3/8. I currently have a 3/8 on here. This is a 1/4 inch by 6 inch lag screw. Well, I'll just show you guys. It's bad boy forward. This is an 8 amp hour power pack, and it kind of goes into a turbo on this thing, like it doubles down. Well, let me show you. As you can see, it kind of kicked into an overdrive there. So let's put this in reverse. This is how you're supposed to technically use a ratchet. Not like I'm doing now. I'm just doing this to test the power. But you get that on there and you break it free manually, and then now, not all ratchets can do that. This one just so happens it can drive that big screw, this little screw, which ain't really little, but it can do all that. It's a very powerful ratchet. I wouldn't call it a Goldilocks, but this is something I would recommend for any mechanic, especially once you learn how to control the power of it and the speed. It's one of those things where all you have to do is just a light click. You're trying not to strip something. You know what I mean? It's all about the control of the user. And pretty much, like I said, it's got all the power you'll ever need in a ratchet. And I'll show you a small demonstration once again on a 3/8 by 8 inch lag screw. Put this bad boy in forward. Watch how easy it drives this.